Hey y'all, so today I want to share with you all my secret DIY recipe that I use to create my cleansing cowash shampoo for myself, which I use on days that I don't really need to wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo. So this is the formulation. I know it's quick, but I just want to show you that this is a formula that I will myself. So I'm beginning with the ingredients, and I have water and glycerin. I also have here BTMS 50, and then my cetyl alcohol. I also have my oil, and then my shea butter, which I melted, Cocobentaine. I also have the Cationic guar, and then my fragrance, which is vanilla. And then here we go. So begin by measuring 35 millimeters of plain water that I'm going to be using for this product. Then I also measure 5 ml of glycerin. Now the ingredients that I mean the formula or the formulation would be in the description box in case you are interested to create this yourself. So what I'm going to do is just to add my BTMS. This is for the oil phase, and BTMS is a very moisturizing product ingredient. I also added my cetyl alcohol, and then I'm adding my oil to it. Now this oil is a moisturizing oil. I'm also adding my shea butter, which I melted just for consistency sake. Yeah, but I'm going to melt all of these in the microwave. So I'm having here my Cocobentaine. Now this is my surfactant, and this is the key surfactant that I'm using. I use Cocobentaine because it's an amphoteric surfactant. What it means is that it has neither a negative nor a positive charge, so it is great to be used as a surfactant for cleansing shampoos that are not stripping or that do not need to be very cleansing. So I'm adding the surfactant to the water phase, and the surfactant is very concentrated. That is why I'm adding it to the water, and that is how surfactants are supposed to be used. So if you don't know more about surfactants, you can Google about what surfactants is. You can also check my previous videos. I have some videos on surfactants for you. I'll link it above too. So I'm going to put this in a microwave to heat it up a bit to melt the water phase and then to the oil phase. So this is what I have after I've melted the water phase, the oil phase, and then warmed up the water phase. So I'm just going to mix the two up, and that is all that you need to be doing for this. So I'm just mixing the two together, and we have this emulsion. I mean, look at how it is. It is really warm. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave it to cool down. But before that, I'm going to be mixing it with my hand mixer. I couldn't capture this on the camera, but just to show you that after this, you need to mix it with a hand mixer. Now, after mixing it with the hand mixer, I came up with this mixture that is so foamy, and that is because of the surfactant. So what I am going to do is to leave this for it to cool down a bit, and also the foam is going to settle down with time, so you don't need to worry about anything. And then after leaving it for some time, I decided to add the Cationic guar. Cationic guar is a very moisturizing agent. What it also does is to thicken any mixture within its appropriate pH level. And usually you don't add the cationic guar with into the mixture. You have to mix it with water first. Just mix it, make sure that everything is melted before you add it to the product. Another interesting thing I like about the cationic guar is its detangling property. So this can be used in formulating conditioners, and it can also be used to formulating moisturizing shampoos and also cleansing co-washes, as I'm doing. Now this will take in my mixture. It will also help in detangling. Like it will make my products very great for detangling, and that is what I need right now for my cleansing co-wash. And yeah, so I'm only mixing the products the into the cleansing condition cleansing products, yeah, then this is what I have. I'm just adding just a little drop of fragrance. This is not really necessary because not everyone likes fragrances in their hair bath or in their shampoos, but I'm just adding this fragrance for my own purpose, right? Yeah, or if you want to add fragrance to it. Now we are done with everything. This is how the product is supposed to come out, and I'm just transferring it into my container just to be able to dispense it or show you how it works. So this is a cleansing co-wash. What it means is that it is not a it is not very cleansing. I mean, it won't strip your hair off, but it is also conditioning. So your hair does not need to be dirty for you to use this. If your hair is super dirty, you don't need to use this product on your hair because it is not going to give you a perfect cleanse. And I'll show you or I'll let you know how I use it. But I just want to let you know how the consistency of the product is like. So dispensing it, this is how it is. Very creamy, very moisturizing. There's still soapy water. I mean soapy or foaming. It's still foamy, but it will come off later. And yeah, so I just wanted to try it on a natural hair. I mean, this is a human hair clipping extension, and what I'm doing is just wetting it so that I apply the product or I put the product on it just for you to see how it's going to work on your hair. So, like I said, your hair doesn't need to be dirty. So, for instance, if you wash your hair and you need to rewash it, but you realize that you didn't really apply a lot of product or use a lot of other products on it, but you have to rewash it, this is a product that is perfect for you to use because just it's going to help you cleanse your hair but not give you a quickly clean hair. That means that your hair is going to be moisturized and it's not going to be squeaky clean. So this is great for detangling as well. You can see me just using my fingers to detangle it, and if you have your detangling tool at this point, you can use it. When I use this product on my hair, what I do is that after rinsing my hair off, I just apply my leave-in conditioner and then I'm good to go because this serves as a conditioner and as a shampoo. It's not like a two-in-one shampoo, but this is great for co-washes. And I like my co-washes to be foamy, to have a lot of surfactant in it, not like the ones on the market that we have there. So this is what we have. The hair is clean, the hair is moisturized as well. So this is basically how I do my co-washes, and I just wanted to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.